check natin. Mahal Alvin, I need to register this in my... Thank you po, Mahal.
Today is present
For
days.
the kadaw.
Today is my wife present days.
Give me a kadaw from Biencorp. I must
Today is a present day for my
I
wife.
must register this so that I can buy online. Or I can go there also, alone. Thank you po, Mahal! Thank you po! And another one present from another collection from Putlaku. The best. Really the best. Ooh. Guys, look at this. It's so nice. Another collection. Instead, bag yung plano ko ba bilhin. Hindi ko na mabili. Try natin sa paa. Ito ako sa sapatos. Ito lagi. I won't give up. Ang ganda nito. Ang kulay.
Good time today, come on. I don't go on time today. If I lock today, can stay with us today.
Like. Okay.
One day you don't gonna die.
It's really my size, man.
It's good, Mahal?
No allowance. It's really my size. So cute
You
to
must
my
take the white
feet.
out from the way.
Mm.
You put this two, you put two together. Two, put together as two.
Wait.
Yeah. And check. Take the whites there. Put them to put the thing for the dural. Slowly, huh? I'm gonna put the thing there. Need to bring also buy a couple of them. Bring in Portugal. The shoes. They have also there, but we can bring it.
Well,
Portugal, but it is better, more cheaper, I think. There's no time more.
it's only my size. Because my feet don't gonna big anymore. So it's enough. Tie a little bit because of my socks is so...
Oi, Allah. You have space there.
Yeah,
It's good.
so nice.
Tie now.
Ta-da-da.
Tie. You don't damage the shoelace.
It's good. I love it. And look at it, guys. Ta-da! Yeah. This is really nice in travel. Nice color, yeah, man.
Yeah, I think so.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Na. Sige na.
That's it.